Hey friends, if Realtek Audio Console doesn't support this machine, if you get this error message on your system, then please watch this video. I will guide you through everything. Now, what I'll suggest can help in 40 to 50% cases, but not in 100% cases, because there may be situations where your system does not actually support the audio consoles, and then there is nothing that you can do if you don't have the hardware for it. But just in case you have the hardware for it, but the drivers were not supportive, here's what you can do. Realtek audio driver, search for it, and then go to the download page, okay, and download the audio drivers, okay, from this one. Windows 10 works with Windows 11 as well. I accept for the device. Click on download, enter the captcha here, ZBVS0Y, and hit submit. Okay, and now it has been downloaded, and then click on save as and save it at a good location. It will need a few seconds to save, and once it does, you can just run the software on your system to install it. Okay, so it's a pretty heavy software. As you can see, it's 409 MB in volume. So we are waiting for the download, and now that it has been downloaded, I will go and click on it. Sorry, I will simply what do we say, unload it and install the drivers on my system. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.